This is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. Today I'm going to show you 2 things that you should do every week in Gmail. If this video helps, please take a moment to subscribe and like the video. Let's get started. Here I am in my Gmail account, and the 2 things you need to do every week. The first thing is to check your spam folder. You should see it on the left side of the page, and this is regardless if you're using a Windows or a Mac or a Chromebook. The other, if you don't see the spam folder here, scroll down to the very bottom of the list and then click More, and it should turn up there. Once you have the spam folder, open it up, and the first thing you should do is check to make sure that none of the messages are legitimate messages. So this first one here, this is a spam message. So that's correct. This one here, this is not a spam message. This is a legitimate message from one of my kids' schools, so it should not be in the spam folder. Now, you could just open it up and read it. A more important thing to do, and this is the second thing you need to do, is to select it and then mark it as not spam. And the reason why you want to do that is you want to tell Gmail, you want to train it so it doesn't mark messages from that particular source as spam in the future. But you have to tell it that. So you can see that the message has been moved back to the inbox, which is good. This one here, this may also be a message that's legitimate. So what I could do is I could open it up, and it looks like it is legitimate. So what I would do also here is report not spam. So it's not just a matter of opening up your Gmail and checking to see if the messages, see if you have any legitimate messages in there. It's also the second step, marking legitimate messages as not spam. This is Ian Lamont from In 30 Minutes. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow. For more information, visit us online. Thank you so much for watching.